Thank you. This tank light is actually pretty light. September 22, 1988, Kilgore 201. Look at that old flapper, it looks old. Very interesting. September 22, 1988. Also, look at it looks pretty thin, but feels strong. Fairly strong. Oh, it looks like they drilled through the tank. That's interesting. Looks like maybe they drilled through there to put the bolts in. I don't know why they did. There's 2 more bolt holes though. Here we go. Oh, it's just string holding it. It's this string holding the flapper to the handle. UPC. I think it's just really strong now because it's lasted for that long. That flapper looks interesting. It's like a very old flapper. Quite older than the toilet.